Hello everybody, Namaste and Salam Alaikum. Hi, this is Maria Khan, your master teacher of biology here at Vedantu. Guys, welcome to my session, and today I am going to provide you some special tips and tricks to crack NTSC examination. Yes guys, now that the NTSC stage 1 dates have been already released, that is 15th and 16th of Jan 2022, you all have to actually buck up and start preparing for your NTSC examinations now. And if you're excited for the NTSC preparation with me, hit on the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel and post me a yo guys. Chalo, let's get started. So here we go. And as you all know that NTSC examination is divided into two stages. Now stage 1 and stage 2. So initially the examination that is going to get conducted in the month of January, it is the stage 1 and it is conducted at the state level by the state authorities. Okay. For example, here in Maharashtra, it will be under the Maharashtra State Board. Okay. So the syllabus that will be followed will be the Maharashtra State Board's ka prescribed curriculum. So you don't need to rely on NCERT books, but you actually need to open up the books of Maharashtra State Board and go through the entire syllabus. And this is the thumb rule for all these states. So the syllabus for your NTSC stage 1 is state specific. In Maharashtra, follow Maharashtra board curriculum. For Gujarat, follow Gujarat board curriculum. Simple as that. That is my first instruction for stage 1. So don't rush to prepare for CBSE. First, focus on your respective state board's curriculum. Okay, that's point number 1. Now point number 2, that is stage 2 examination. Now stage 2 examination is conducted at the national level, and here NCERT comes into the picture. So whatever syllabus is being given in your NCERT books, okay, especially of your grade 8, 9 and 10, stick to that and that will help you to crack the stage 2. Okay, sure. So moving further, now let me come to the ideal and actual tips and tricks. So understand the syllabus. Understand the difference between the syllabus of stage 1 and stage 2. Like if I talk in terms of Maharashtra State Board, of course there is mitosis and meiosis, there is microbiology, there is biotechnology, and these topics are completely missing from the CBSE curriculum, right? So likewise for physics, chem, bio, even for your social sciences, there will be chapters, there will be topics which are not there in your CBSE curriculum, but they are there for your respective state board. Okay, so please download the textbooks or use a hard copy or whatever, but ensure that you have a sound knowledge about the curriculum, about the syllabus for your level 1 as well as level 2, that is stage 1 and stage 2. Okay, so NTSC 2020 syllabus will be from 10th curriculum of NCERT, not just 10th, I will say 8th, 9th and 10th. So yeah, this is not just 2020. Okay, ideally it has to be 2021, right? 2020-21, yeah. So moving further, and check exam pattern. Okay, so if you study the paper carefully, it has two segments, MAT and SAT. Now if we focus on mental ability test, okay, it is for 100 marks. Guys, 100 marks, big deal. So only and only if you focus on MAT, that will be helping you a lot. Okay, then again if you focus on SAT, much weightage is given on social sciences and mathematics. Okay, and then you have divided weightage for physics, chem and bio. So I will say कि first clear your MAT, okay, and then start focusing on maths. Okay, then you focus on social sciences, and then your science is already well taken care of because there are so many common topics that you will be able to deal with it. Okay, so first priority, second priority and third priority, if you focus on these three subjects in the best possible way, I'm pretty sure you will be able to crack NTSC. Okay, so that's tip number 2. Then tip number 3, understand your strengths and weaknesses. If you know that your SAT is strong, whether it is mathematics or social sciences or basic science, but then you are unable to crack the logical questions which are included under MAT. So start focusing on MAT, start practicing on a daily basis so that your weaknesses are transformed into your strengths. Okay, so yes, uh, identify your areas where you need to work upon. Okay, and then speed up your preparation. Next is make study from home plan. Okay, now that you all are stuck amidst pandemic, it's very difficult to go out and get some coaching. So ensure that you are sitting at the comfort of your home. You are having all the notes that you need. You are having the guidance that you need, and you can connect with the teachers, with peers, and anyone and everyone with whom you want to in order to ensure that your NTSC preparations are going on. Now, I know this is a bit challenging for you, but don't worry, I have a solution for that as well. Stay tuned with me and I'll be revealing that soon. Okay? Yep. Next one is take mock tests, because practice makes a man perfect. And NTSC, all the MCQ based questions. So, more you practice, more confident you become, and the time required to solve a particular question gets reduced drastically. Again, you will say, ma'am, from where shall I grab this mock test? Don't worry, I am here, nothing to fear. Okay? Yep. And then revise regularly, especially when it comes to mathematics, when it comes to math. Practicing on a regular routine basis is very, very crucial, right? Then, when it comes to social sciences, making timelines and remembering the dates, remembering the names, it's very tricky, right? So, yeah, revise it regularly and then get your doubts solved. See, when you sit to study, when you take a study material, it's evident, it's obvious that you will face some or the other doubt, right? So, note all your doubts, okay, and ensure they are getting cleared. How can you get that cleared? So, guys, here at Vedantu, we are offering you NTSC Crash Course 2021. Are you excited? See, here with this course, point number 1, we will be dealing with everything, MAT as well as SAT. We will be dealing with physics, chem, bio, social sciences, mental aptitude, ability test, everything. So yeah, we are giving you a proper crash course. Okay? Then this is happening at the convenience of your home. Okay? Third thing, in this session there will be a master teacher who will be teaching you all the concepts. At the same time, there will be class teachers who will be resolving your queries on the doubt panel. Okay? Besides that, unlimited in-class doubt solving is definitely there. However, outside the class, if you need any kind of doubt solving assistance, we have our doubt solving app as well. So you can send your queries and get the doubt resolved. Okay, so yeah, don't allow your doubts to be a blocker in the pathway of your success. Okay, and yes, with Vedantu everything is possible. So yeah, Vedantu's NTSC subscription, so it is for maths, physics, chem, bio, mat and SS. Let me tell you guys, we have shown 139 selections, okay, in the previous NTSC examination in stage 1. Okay, and what can you avail with us? So yeah, here we provide you 60 plus hours of live sessions which covers common topics of stage 1 and all the topics of stage 2 by NTSC experts, the teachers who have a proven track record of helping the students to clear NTSC. Okay, then as I highlighted you the point, practice. So when you have 50 plus chapter wise tests and 14 plus overall mock tests, you have ample of tests to appear and ace in your stage 1 examination as well as stage 2, isn't it? Yeah. And then third thing, today you are attending a session, maybe let's assume you are attending a session in the month of November. Till January, Dabagul. So if you think that you need some assistance even at the 11th hour, you have all the recordings. You can watch all the recordings anytime and every time whenever you want to watch them. Besides that, all the notes, you can click on get notes, and with a single click away you can download all the notes. So guys, all the basic features are available with the Pro Lite subscription. Okay. And usually the course fee for NTSE crash is 3000, but with my coupon code in place it's available to you at 2700 only. So what's my coupon code? It's Mac Pro. Okay, acha. But then, as I mentioned, Doubts app, very helpful. So guys, just by paying little extra amount, you can avail the Doubts app as well. So guys, we have another subscription, that is Pro Classic one. The first one is Pro Lite, the second one is Pro Classic. So Pro Classic one is available to you for the entire crash course at rupee 5000, but with my coupon code in place, it's available to you at 4500 only. Isn't it pretty nominal, guys? Yes, indeed it is. So yeah, apply my coupon code, that is Mac Pro, and avail the deal now. So where can you visit this page? So guys, the link has been given up in the description box. It has also been pinned up in the comment section. Click on the link and avail 10% discount. You can find the link NTSE Crash 2021. Okay, so click on the link, go to our website, ensure that my coupon code is applied, and avail 10% fabulous discount on the course fee. Okay, so let us move ahead with the next step. Solve previous year papers. See, in each of our Vedantu session now, we have most of the questions related to that topic from the previous NTSE papers. When you solve these papers now, nothing like it, because many a times the questions are repeated or they are reframed, right? And here at Vedantu, we provide you with all previous year sample papers with the proper justified solutions, means why option A is correct and why other options are incorrect. So when you get a detailed explanation, it's more than enough self-explanatory, right? So yeah, solve previous year question papers. And next, health is wealth, we all say. Guys, taking too much of stress takes a toll on your physical as well as mental health. So guys, physical health, mental health, social health, of course, every parameter of your health is important. And that's the reason why eat food on time, don't skip meals, take proper 6 to 8 hours of sleep, and ensure that you take breaks in between your preparations, and you stay healthy and mindful and sharp when you are appearing for your examination. Okay, and I hope you found this session to be short, crisp, and useful. If you loved the session, hit on the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and yes, for additional assistance, don't forget to enroll with our Vedantu's NTSE Crash 2021 course. Okay, as I mentioned, the link has been given up in the description box, also in the pinned comment, and my coupon code MacPro, 10% discount. Yeah, avail it. So that's it for the day, guys. Let's meet up in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz, Malawapis, and keep watching Vedantu. Bye bye. Love you all.